is Sunday. Are you gonna say hi, Koopy?
Hi.
Hi. It's Sunday and it's, I don't know, maybe about 12:30, and church was canceled this morning because nobody can get there. So we are going to do a little Bible study here and some singing and that type of stuff. But before we do that, we're trying to get the animals situated because there is another wave coming at 4. So we have a few hours. So basically, Jeremy's gonna get the leaf blower and blow out Maple, our bunny, we have a bunny, her hutch, because she's inside right now. Because it was really freezing last night. Look at the mess it's making in the house. It's really driving me crazy. We've been bringing her in every night because it's been in the teens. She does have a heater out there, but her water freezes and, you know, I just don't feel right leaving her out there. So we have her in this little hutch and we lay a towel out and she likes to jump around the kitchen and whatnot. So it's not like she's locked in there all the time. But Jeremy's gonna go with a leaf blower and blow out her hutch because there's snow all on the bottom of it. And we're gonna try and make kind of like a lean-to or something for Callie, our dog, because she won't go out in the snow and it's gonna be deeper than a foot after these next 2 storms come. So I just don't want to deal with it. I'm so over the animals and the snow. If it was just me, I'd be fine, but the animals drive me crazy. So we're gonna go out and try and situate the animals, and it looks like all the boys are getting suited up to come help too. So this is the driveway. And there's our cars. No, I don't think it's snowing. It's blown out of the trees. So I don't think we'd be able to get out if we wanted to. Because the driveway goes all the way up there. It's never ending, guys. We're outside trying to get stuff kind of situated, and the child comes out and says, "We broke a glass." So now I have to clean up glass. Glass everywhere.
Now let's see what happens.
Thank you. You guys stay down there, okay? Because you're barefoot. We don't want glass in your feet.
I'm coming in.
No. All right, here's Jeremy's makeshift lean-to that we can keep covered.
Go potty.
She's
Go potty.
no, she will not
Cal.
like that.
Go potty.
All right, it's 2:30 and there are little flurries starting. Just little. So we'll see what this brings. All right, I'm going to make some banana bread because we had a banana mishap. There were some overripe bananas, which the boys don't really like, and Carter shoved them back into the fruit bowl, and they got all bruised, and the tops of them all tore off, and I'm like, we can't waste bananas, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna make banana bread. Although I haven't really been baking because Jeremy and I mean, the boys not really, but we're trying to incorporate it for them as well. We're not trying to have refined sugar right now. So, yeah, so anyways, I found we're in the rainforest. I found a recipe for sugar-free or no sugar added. Thank you, Carter, that's enough. No sugar added banana bread. So we're gonna use applesauce and honey. and hopefully it tastes okay. Yesterday I was like craving some cookies. Like, it has been a few weeks now that we've been doing this. I'm like, I really want something sweet. So I made peanut butter cookies, and you can see, well, they're in a bag, but they turned out pretty good. They have no sugar. They had honey and coconut oil, peanut butter. I mean, not that those things don't have sugar in them, but I know peanut butter has sugar in it, but it's not like adding 3 cups of refined sugar. So anyways, just something we're trying to do, and I'm gonna make some banana bread. Oh, really sad. We were just sitting over there. We heard something hit the window, and there's a bird out there. I don't know that you can see it. I can't because of all these reflections. Here, move this, Carter. There's a bird. I can't see. But there's a bird down there. There's a robin, and it's not moving. I don't want to go out and scare it, though. Poor thing. It just started snowing, so who knows what happened. We'll give it a few minutes, see if it, maybe it knocked itself out.
Commence Operation Bird Rescue.
Oh. It doesn't look good.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, sweetie.
I'm guessing it broke its neck.
Sweetie. I don't want to touch it and not scare it, but I think it's knocked out.
I think so.
And the eyes are closed. Doesn't seem like it's moving at all. Can't tell if it's alive or dead. It's still warm, like it just happened. I can't tell if it's breathing.
It was a strong hit, though. Like.
Yeah, it was. Well, we'll see.
Tuck it under that table where it's all without ice and snow.
The eye just, I mean, it's not. No, I just can't see. Thing. So sad. Koopy's gonna make us some orange juice. They just came in. Can you stop for 1 second? They just came in from sledding. Are you hot? Yeah. But it's dark outside. They're done. He's gonna make us some orange juice. And then we should have dinner soon.
What's for dinner?
We're gonna have pancakes tonight. I know. It's an easy dinner though. Sound good? Oh, and my banana bread turned out pretty tasty looking. It is tasty. All right, the snow is finally coming down. It's been kind of sad all day, but now it's coming down. Very heavy. I suspect we'll get a couple of inches because this is supposed to go for a couple hours, and these are huge flakes. they've been pushing him around on the shopping cart all day like a hospital bed for some reason.
No, just so he was comfortable.
Oh, and they have him right up against the fire right now.
He's on the couch.
Oh, sorry, we have a drone. Go
I
ahead.
have an owie.
You have an owie?
I think it's a war.
Oh, look at that big icicle hanging off the corner of the
Watch out, everybody!
roof right there.
I think I have a war. I have a war.
Whoa, the drone is
Oh, I
down.
increased the speed of the cable.
No big deal. Bacon's a little too hot. Just set it outside. Give it about 10 seconds.
Wait.
It's shaking right off.
What do you...
I don't know why Jeremy's doing that, but he wants it cooled off. Well, it is Monday morning and the snow continues. It's barely snowing outside. It just started. We're supposed to get snow for a few hours and then it's actually supposed to turn to rain. I guess there's warmer weather coming in from the coast, or a warmer front. I don't know what you call it. But first we're gonna get a little bit more snow. And Jeremy's home because the driveway looks like this. There's the driveway. And the cars. So, yeah, he's home. It looks like all the neighbors are really home today. Anyway, so that's the update from yesterday to today. I think we got, oh, I don't know, it's so hard to tell. Maybe 2 to 3 inches. So we didn't get a ton, which is great, but maybe like 3 inches. Anyways, I suspect things will start to melt off today with the rain, and we'll see what happens with that. A big winter storm warning has been issued because of the hazards it can cause, because it will still be like below freezing tonight, but it's going to melt off the snow, so then there'll be like really icy roads. I don't know, but we're not gonna risk it. We're just gonna stay home. We have plenty of food. We're just gonna stay here. I did, yesterday I put out a little plate of food. I put like a pear on there and some bird seed because I had seen a couple of robins flying around. And this morning I noticed there were like some fresh footprints in the snow out front, and it led right to the plate, and Jeremy checked the security cameras and it was a mama and a baby deer, and the baby got to eat the pear. It was so sweet, and they're kind of like in the backyard now nibbling on the trees, but so cute. So I'll insert that right here. And on some not so happy news, the robin that flew into the window did not make it. It hasn't moved or anything. So we will go ahead and bury the bird once we can actually get to the ground and everything's not frozen. But fortunately it's cold enough outside that it's not going to like rot or anything like that. But poor thing, it was so sad. It's such like, I've never held a wild bird. I guess I've held a bird before, but I've never held a wild bird, and it just felt so innocent, the poor thing. But anyways, the boys were quite disturbed about it. Carter kept saying like, well, sometimes when things happen to people, they go to sleep and they wake up, or something like, well, if we could actually drive, would we have taken it to like a place where someone could have helped the bird? He's like, well, when people are sick and dying, we take people to the hospital. Why can't we take the bird? So it was just really sweet, his thought process of the whole thing. And we just had to explain to him that there was nothing that could be done. I'm pretty sure it was an instant death, which is probably the best for the bird, because if it had broken a wing or something, I really don't know what we would have done. So sad, but I'm glad the bird it happened quickly. Anyways, that's how we're gonna end the vlog for today. I'm sorry, that's kind of depressing, but yeah, it's beautiful outside, and we'll see what this rain does to our slushy mess.